bitch would lie.
We are headed to Ikea.
But I've been to one that was so big.
It's
nice.
cold. We're about to look at some furniture and stuff like that.
That Ikea made me want.
So what's up, Marlene? Khaleesi in the cut.
This looks like a car dealership.
It does. All the white cars. I'll catch you guys when we get in there because it's cold out here. My fingers can't hold it so long.
A bookshelf. If I was like in my own place, I would like a shelf.
Yeah, that's nice. Something see-through.
I like that.
Not bad. Not bad. Oh yeah, this is like a hotel vibe. That's what it's giving me.
No, this is my kitchen. I like this.
It's real nice. Like,
I don't want the dinner table though. Dinner table to be glass.
no, I don't want that in there. This is black though, like you said.
Black or glass. I like glass.
Yeah.
Too, so.
Yeah, that's nice. Alpha. For you.
Wow, this is like a little office. Living room.
Mm-hmm. And for Trini too. Trini, he like this kind of stuff. Liquor and glass wines and everything. Moving on. It's your room right here. Wait, yes, your room. It's morning room.
Exactly.
In the future.
I like the way they set it up though, to like give you an idea.
Yeah. Over here looking a little dry, but this is looking nice. Ooh, I like this.
I like that too, the pink.
I like the color.
I like the Paris.
That's nice.
Alpha Tower.
I like that.
Yeah, those frames are nice.
That's very nice.
But the rug.
I mean, it complements. I can't feel it. Complements the wall. Then we have this one here. I like the plant over there in the corner.
I like this. You can put books here too.
Yeah.
Picture frame.
It's the carpet. I think it's bright in here. I feel like a little girl's room. Yeah. Not bad. I like the idea. Yeah. I like the idea.
You don't have to get a bookshelf because you could put the books in there.
And over here too.
I sound like a nerd. I'm just talking about books. I have a lot of books.
Ain't nothing wrong being smart. Because if you're not smart, you can't read things, right? Well, hey. Let's do that door right there. Start to the other side.
This stove is interesting.
This you're gonna put this stuff to use. Come on, girl, we're gonna cook with some food. She's like,
I like gas stove. I
Yeah.
think this is what electric.
It is.
Yeah,
Electric.
I don't like electric. I like gas.
yes. Let's look inside the fridge, Marnie. Look inside the fridge. Marnie's favorite spot right here.
I want that fridge with the
With a TV on it?
Yes.
Yes,
with
that's
the TV,
expensive in
everything.
Home Depot.
want that.
Expensive. But it's worth it though. This is me, my cake, Marlene. My cake bowl.
Oh yeah, she likes to bake.
Yeah. Bake and decorate. I don't like none of these sofas right here.
I was going to say the same thing.
They are
They
ugly.
look so weak though.
Exactly. They
Like
buck up
they're
at the same time.
easy to break.
Yeah,
Look
I
at
don't-
the legs.
Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that.
Oh, they said new.
Yeah, I don't like these furnitures. I like the concept of this yellow one right here though.
Huh?
The yellow one right here with some nice palm trees on the side. This one.
Oh, These are good for like if you have a outdoor, a little porch or something. Yeah, relax.
That's not bad. This little piece right here, the green one. Put your TV on it in your living room if you want to. I'd rather mine's in black though.
Oh, so, okay.
The baby size. None of us are ready for that now. Kitty.
Big girl, boy, big boy back? No.
It can be both sex,
No, I
unisex.
can't open it.
When I have
They're probably gonna jump over.
when I have my first child, their crib gotta be fancy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I don't like this.
I see. Yep. Talking to existence. I'm ready for baby shower. Baby shower?
Fancy.
I know exactly what to get you now. I know exactly. I'm gonna look back on this video a couple years from now. So yep, please don't want that. No, you want something nice. You don't want that.
No, I'm gonna get Felicia the one with the little that we call it automatically.
Something that wants like a
the
jacuzzi.
water. I'm talking about the water. You know what I'm
Let me get her-
talking about? If the water's too hot, it says don't put the baby in something.
And I want to get wipes warmer. Keep the wipes warm.
You hear that? Wife's warm, okay?
Yeah.
I keep that. I remember
I
that.
know there's a lot of babies when you wipe their butts with the wipes.
They hate it,
jump.
yeah.
It's so cold.
Avery did not like that. He's like, no. Okay. Ooh. I like the little black piece over here.
For climb and jump safety.
Oh, shit. Can I have a sleepover, mommy?
That's nice. Upstairs, downstairs.
Can I have a sleepover? I have a bunk bed. They can sleep with me. Hercules and mom now. You forgot your bed.
Who, the kid?
Yeah, you forgot your bed.
She said she gonna spoil her grandkids.
I believe it.
That's a nursery. Where's the proper color? Oh, you got clothes in, Tina?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They like, I like how
canopy.
they set up everything.
Yeah.
$10 for it too.
I'll actually do white and gold in here. 64 square feet.
Just like a nursery room.
Oh, we're out of the baby section.
It's nice.
I like this.
Yeah,
That's nice.
I would put like purses here.
Yeah, I want like a walk-in closet.
And then
yeah.
the jewelry.
Ooh,
And it's
nice.
slide out.
This.
That's nice.
Ooh, like a walk-in closet. This is perfect. Put my clothes on there.
I would put
But
this.
it's gonna take forever
I
to
would
build
put this
though.
in the same room
It's all right.
with my vanity room. I want vanity room.
That's what I want.
Oh yeah, nice.
Look at that.
Look at that. She gets the ideal. The purse up here. Put my shoes right there.
I need a walk-in closet though.
Me
I have
too.
too much stuff.
I like.
It's hard for me to find my stuff. If I'm looking for my clothes, everything's a mess. Cause like,
Okay.
ooh, what is this? A closet?
Yeah. Put your clothes in there.
This is nice, and it lights up.
Let's see how this one looks. Hey guys.
And you got right here. Oh my gosh, look at that. You got
Okay, so put the glasses here.
you got the shoes.
Put the glass here.
Get this open.
Yeah. And you put your glasses here. Your shoes here.
I love the lights.
Yeah.
You open it and it lights up. Oh my gosh, look at this. The jewelry parts. Ugh.
Yes. I need no space.
This
'Cause
is
my room is
like-
so small
you
right
put
now.
this where, like in the bedroom
Yeah.
or a separate room?
I think I would put a separate room. I would
Yeah.
have a closet. If my closet big,
That'd be so nice to have that kind of door that does spin and you go to the other side.
Is it this way though? Is that way? 'Cause
Oh, I gotta go in there. I'm trying to get look comfortable. See? I like that.
Huh?
Ooh. I like this, guys. I like this. I like the concept. Please look at the grass wall again. I want this in my room. See, look, a grass wall. Somebody go over there against the wall.
Oh, that would be pretty to take pictures.
Yes. I'm making YouTube videos over here too. Okay.
The top of oh my.
Look at the backsplash. Ooh,
I like that. I like the background.
yeah, the backsplash is pretty.
That is pretty.
This is giving me hotel or restaurant.
How do you start this shit?
This backsplash
Privacy.
is different.
Yeah,
Excuse
I like
me?
this one. This one's called porcelain. The porcelain backsplash.
Feels nice.
Yeah,
I like the
porcelain.
texture.
Oh, you learning from Home Depot, huh?
Yeah, I had to learn it because people have to ask me questions about it and I have to like know the answer to it.
I'm in love with this bathtub though, even though it's too small.
I like how it's deep.
Somebody go model down there.
It's like the fancy kind of one.
Okay. How y'all liking this one?
I don't really like this.
Nah. I think some kind of cabin kind of thing. I don't like that. No. Don't like that. This color is nice. I like the color.
Yeah, it's pretty. Probably just for like one section of your house though, not like throughout the whole house.
Yeah. I want to have like an accent wall, just one color on it, like a pop. And everything is like with stripes on
That
one.
could be like the office.
Ooh, I like this. It's so cute. You know what I would do with this? I put like black and white floors with this. Ooh, this is so nice. I love
it, but it's
this.
just so dark. You don't think?
You can all change the color just to give you the idea, you know?
Yeah, I would do like
This
a
is
different
nice, though.
color, but
This
I
is
like
perfect.
that.
Just an idea. But I think I'll probably put black and white floors. Have like a pop of color like yellow on the wall and black and white floors. Ooh. Spicy. I like this though. It's nice.
These people
Come clean the
really,
quick. Buy a house
really
and come
be
over.
trying to give us ideas. They
Yeah.
be putting like, giving us all the details. Like, look at all this. They decorated and everything.
Come on, please. So buy a house and come over there. Like this right here. This meat right here. All like bush. I don't know. Ain't nothing interesting up here though. Right here just dry. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, right here just. I don't like that. I like this in my room though.
Little cupboard.
Yeah, put over my bed, in front of my bed. So in case I come in like, say somebody come in my room and I have nothing on, they won't see me automatically. I think we saw this one already. Did we come in here? No, we didn't. I just like black. Black is just everything.
Yeah, look at this. I see it.
So this right here,
Yeah.
it is animal skin.
I know it, I know, but it's just,
I don't like it.
I don't like it.
Me either.
Like, I know it is an animal, but it's just,
Like, why is he blue here? Like, nah. I don't like that.
I just don't want to be reminded of it every single time I look
I'm
at
like,
it.
nah, I don't need this carpet. Who wants this carpet? I don't want it.
We're in the workstation.
Yeah. Okay. Ain't nothing over here. You have to have an office in there, like your own little moment in there, you know? I need to like long drape curtains and sometimes I need to like come on a ladder to put up. Morning dinner time. There you go. For please see the bookshelf. Oh yeah, she likes to sew.
She used to.
I wanted to, but
she wants to get back in it. I remember I took fashion design class. I had to learn how to use one. I did not like that class.
Yeah, I didn't like it either.
I used to have
I had
that
Miss
class.
Collins.
Really?
The lady with the dreads, right?
I don't remember. It was a
had-
lady. She talked a lot.
Yeah,
and
I
then,
had her.
And then she stopped coming. I think she got hurt.
I think
And
yeah.
she stopped coming.
Like during the middle of our senior year, I used to have her, and then she stopped coming.
Morning, want some food? Want some sausage? Come on.
I did not like that teacher.
I didn't like her either, but she passed me. I was like, okay, good.
That's the only thing that matters. If you pass it, you out of there.
I had her on A days, and after her class, I had cooking, so I
Don't
didn't
you remember
care.
that?
Ooh,
I
look at
don't
the
even
yellow.
remember what
Yeah.
class I had A day or B day.
That's the only two classes I remember,
It's
because
also
I didn't
B days.
like her.
Yeah, B days were always
The
the
best is
days
for me.
that you have the best classes.
Exactly. 8 days is like, what the hell?
I used to hate A days.
8 day, B day.
I don't like none of these tables. Where the glass tables?
Exactly.
All these wooden
Where the
tables.
glass tables?
I don't like that chair. Ugly. Burgundy chair. Ugly with a polka dot. What that?
Yeah,
Some kind of spots. That one's ugly. That's right here, not bad.
Like, is it black?
No, the yellow chair.
Oh.
I actually like these kind of things, though, but
This is kind of similar to ours. No, ours is flat in Mexico. Ours is like this in Mexico.
yeah. So the stove.
I like the faucets that actually just turn on automatically. Once you put your hand underneath it.
I like these.
It's expensive though, but it's
faucets.
nice. I like gold stuff. Gold and rose gold.
I don't like two sinks. I don't like it.
No, I think of yeah. I don't
And
like
then
that.
it's like, it just seems smaller when there's a lot of dishes running
Yeah,
over.
like too much to wash, but it's actually a little bit in the sink.
Because it looks smaller. I remember one time we had a double sink. I would wash, put them here.
Yeah,
put them here.
Get them confused, right?
Wash, put them there, and then I rinse.
That's what I'd rather have one big sink, like one.
Look at this one, it's bright over here.
Huh?
Black and gray, was it black and yellow?
It's trap
let me
season,
see
bro.
you walk. Yeah.
This right here says kitchen. I have to have wine glasses in there. I don't really drink wine, but just have it in there. For those who love wine. You gotta have the wine glass, man. You gotta have the wine glass. I love to look at chandeliers and stuff. Oh my god. This was nice. You got the lampshades from over here. I want these kind of lights in my room. I want these to go around the bed. Around the closet.
I always wanted these. I just want to order some off Amazon.
Yeah, to go around the closet, right? And around the bed.
And around the bed.
Yeah. Let's see.
The different color ones.
I should probably go home and decorate my room for real. How much is this thing?
I'm gonna come back here and get these.
How much is this?
24.
Oh, it's not bad.
This one's 24. Indoor black.
It's on Amazon. Amazon, baby. What's this one? I don't know what the hell this one is.
This one is pretty with the little this bug.
Yeah.
What do you call this bug again?
Dragonfly.
Dragonfly.
Yeah. This one get on my nerves. It never want to work for me when I use this.
Oh, you had that before?
I have bought from Amazon. And no, what's Amazon? Some random place I bought from Instagram. Someone links to Instagram. Bless you. Period. It's like not bad.
This is what I like.
Oh, baby. Yeah.
I'll put this in the
I like that. The ribbon looks nice though. Ooh, this looks nice right here.
This is pretty.
Ooh. Okay. Like this. Oh. Some lights around it, baby.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all.
That would be cute with lights around it.
Look, my number. My birthday, y'all.
What is
6 days left. I like this on the wall. I'll probably spray paint it though. To gold. Spray paint that to gold. For you all by yourself. Yeah. The kids learn the alphabet. A waste of time. It's an Arctic figure. No. I don't like that. No.
It's a waste of time. Those flowers are pretty.
Oh, I love this.
Flowers.
My room actually needs this now, because I need to take the Christmas stuff out of my room and put this on there.
Yeah, that just smells good.
Yeah, that smells good. I love candles. When you they smell good. Yes.
To come in here and get candles.
We can always come back. Just say one. You want a trip? You can take one.
I like the smell of this.
Mm-hmm.
This is nice.
That smells. How does that smell like? What's that?
Or is it misplaced? Oh, this smells good.
It's like ice cream. What's the scent? What is it?
Vanilla?
I love vanilla
It's right
smells.
there.
Yeah.
Oh, I love vanilla smells. Oh, I'm in heaven now. I love any kind of plants like this.
Oh, it's real.
If y'all know me, y'all love palm trees. Oh my goodness. It's real. How much is this? What's the price on this? Oh, I want it. How much is this? What's the price on this? I love it. But we've seen a lot of this the whole time Chris here. The whole trip we've seen a lot of palm leaves. How much is this? I'm not gonna want that for this.
Real, right?
Yeah. No price? I have to come back and get that.
But you gotta have somewhere to put it where it's gonna get sunlight but not cold.
So the thing is, right, it isn't like dark areas. It isn't with sunlight. Putting it at a window. What happened? Oh. No, she has to be working over here. Yeah. But for those kind of plants, Squeezy, you just put ice on it.
Ice?
Ice.
Ice cube.
For palm trees,
Yeah.
put ice on it. Because you remember, it's not supposed to get too much water. It's supposed to get less water and more sunlight.
So you get some ice cubes and you put it in there?
And it stays there for like a lot of days until like you need more on it. Because remember, it don't need that much just like tulips, you don't need that much water. You just need a piece of ice. You're good to go.
Like how much?
I love this.
Like how much ice?
You put 2 cubes on there or 3.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Remember, I don't need that much water. Use less water.
Those are nice.
Yeah, I need this. Like this will go actually in the bathroom.
On the back slab.
Or the bathroom or my room. I'm proud of myself. Look at that. I'm not even freaking scared.
Huh?
I'm so excited for me. Huh?
Would you say you're proud of yourself because what?
Yeah, because I've never ever do this the whole time. People not caring. Like, I would never do this. I guess because Mexico kind of like, I've been doing this every day since I've been there. That's why like my hands, I can't really explain it. I'm just not scared like before.
Oh, that's good.
I don't care. Because the more you like care about what people think, you're not gonna get like good footage. Am I lying, y'all?
You'll never get nothing done.
Exactly. Like you care for people. You care too much. My favorite. Ain't nothing else down here. Hot in this thing. Take it off. Something like this, Marlene. Is this fake? How much is this thing?
What is that?
That's not gonna be the thumbnail, y'all. Yeah, like I said, I have Christmas stuff in my room right now. Like the Christmas tree still in there. I gotta take all that out of there. Christmas is over with.
I in my room, so I don't even decorate it with nothing.
I mean, you just never know. It's just for your eyes and your comfort when you walk inside your room every day from like a long day. That's my room.
That's true. But to take it all out, I'm just.
That's too much, man.
That's too much.
Huh? I didn't hear you.
Okay, we gotta exit.
But yeah,
We gotta exit by going through.
we about to leave this place. How we get out of here? Just follow the lead of Marlene. Yes, you. We'll catch you guys when we're back at the crib.
We're back at the crib, guys. Over here in Lyman.
So she mad because
You know,
at the time, this bitch.
we're not doing nothing else. So we're just gonna be sitting here talking, enjoying each other's moments together.
Always gaining weight.
or whatever. So we're gonna catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let us know what you guys thought about this video. So bye.